Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from 81-01D.
Today we're going to present about monocot and dicot.
Okay, on this slide, we're going to talk about introduction of plant, definition, difference between monocots and dicot, example of monocots and dicot plants, and also reference. Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Shiman bin Suraidi. I'm from class 1D. Today, I will be introducing the role of seed in plant reproduction and the major classification of plant based on their seed characteristic. Point number 1, I'm going to talk about role of seed. Seed are fundamental to plant reproduction. They are crucial for the propagation of plant species. However, not all plants produce seed in the same way. We have gymnosperm and angiosperm. For gymnosperm are plants that do not produce fruits or flower. Their seed are exposed, which is they are described as open-eyed. Angiosperm, on the other hand, are flowering plants with seed enclosed inside fruits. They also have well-developed ovals. Next, I'm going to talk about diversity of angiosperm. Angiosperm are highly diverse with around 2,100 species. This makes them one of the most varied group in plant kingdom. Next, seed formation in angiosperm. In this group, seed develop with stem fruits and have a protective seed coat to ensure survival. Next, classification of angiosperm. Angiosperm are divided into two major categories based on number of cotyledons or seed leaf. For example, monocots like grass and dicots like beans. That's all for introduction of plants. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad bin Shu'aib Nizam. Today I will talk about definition in monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Okay, first of all, monocotyledons. Monocotyledon or monocot for short refers to one of two groups of flowering plants or angiosperms. Most flowering plants are traditionally divided into two different categories, monocots and dicots. Members of each group tend to share similar features. Monocot, as it implies, are defined by having seeds that contain a single monoembryonic leaf known as a cotyledon. This is monophyletic group that constitutes as a majority of our agricultural biomass and include many important crop staples including but not limited to rice, wheat, corn, sugarcane, bamboo, onion and garlic. Okay, that's all from monocotyledon. Second, I will talk about definition in dicotyledons. Dicotyledon or dicot for short refer to one of two main groups into which flowering plants angiosperms are categorized. Most flowering plants are traditionally divided into two different categories, monocots and dicots. Members of each group tend to share similar features. A dicot, as the name implies, a name for the number of cotyledons or embryonic leaves found in seed embryo. They have two dicotyledons, unlike monocots. Dicots are not a monophyletic group, meaning that have evolutionary history of dicot plants cannot be traced to a single most common recent ancestor. Instead, the number of lineage diverged earlier than the monocots did. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And my name is Muhammad Sharifuddin bin Ashari and I'm from class 1D. Next, I want to talk about difference between monocot and dicot seed. As we can see at the slide, the monocot have one cotyledon and the leaf venation is parallel venation. Next, the root system of monocot is a fibrous root system, and vascular bundle for monocot is scattered in stem. The last one is the flower part in multiple of three. Next, I want to talk about the dicot. The dicot have two cotyledon and the leaf venation is reticulate. Reticulate is net-like venation. Next, the root system of dicot is the root system and vascular bundle of monocot is arranged in a ring. And the last one is dicot flower part in a multiple of 4 or 5. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Alif Aiman bin Muhammad Isyam from 1D. Today I'm going to talk about example of monocotyledon and dicotyledon. For monocotyledon, the example is corn, onion and banana. That's all for monocotyledon. Next, for dicotyledon, the example is sunflower, rose and maple. I think that's all from me. Thank you. Okay, for reference, we look up at this website. First, biologicaldictionary.net. Second, juniormastergardener.net. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.
I think that's all from us. Thank you so much.